IndyCar. So Ishan Madesh, he could be faced with a penalty through no fault of his own. That's going to be disappointing. That's heartbreaking because, of course, you will get a nose cone penalty if the bracket is in, even if somebody else ripped it off as they were leaving the pit lane. That's going to be difficult for him to now not be upset. And there goes Ishan in the number 316, and you can see the front of that kart. It's coming over the hill down towards turns 13, 14. That's going to be hard, and this is not the drivers were warned about this, weren't they? Slowing down.
Yeah, for the Indian driver, that's a shame.
Yes.
When you are, because it's fast.
Yes.
Fast in the track, but when you have that penalty,
before you even go out on the track. Right, we'll try and see if we can see what happened at the moment. Fido Shoshi, let's have a little look. We'll watch at the top left hand of the screen. Yes, there is the we can't see the kart who just hops up over the front nose cone of Ishan Madesh's kart. Great work there from the pit lane. Okay, who is on track? Santeri Laitonen. Apparently Santeri Laitonen. Laitonen, translated into English, is illegal. That's the word. So Laitonen is illegal. So Santeri illegal. No, Santeri Laitonen is fast. Christos Oikonomu now fastest. So 53.376. That's some work to do. In fact, look at that. Time is up already. Oikonomu, Leitonen, Gale, Van Wyk, Maxwell, Lichner, Trobets, Shoshin, Babichkova, Goff, your top 10 at the moment. Xavier Suarez 16th. This is the final lap, and he's not having a good last lap, is he, Gustavo?
He lost.
But this could be a case of, you know, drivers mistiming it. Let's have a little look. Greece. Christos Oikonomu, Leitonen second, and wow, the difference in lap times between first and second. Ishan Madesh goes 8th, Oikonomu 53.25, Tishman